start off the video, we gotta put some oil in the freaking car like usual. What's going on, you guys? So FA Customs back at it again. God knows what part this is, but in this episode we're about to add some oil to the car. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna go ahead and install the diffusers that I have that I've been sitting on for a while. And when I say a while, I mean like 2 or 3 months almost. Just been sitting on them, so I'm kind of getting sick and tired that I haven't yet installed them. So in that case, you guys already know what I'm gonna do. Got it out. That's crazy. Haven't put it on yet. Just chilling. So yeah, I'm going and I'm telling you guys, this does magic. It blows a lot of oil out everywhere, but oh, that's hot. Fuck, we're sending it. Fuck, that's actually hot. Let's go ahead and add some little lubrication. Chug that. And that's good enough for you, honestly. That's it. Because it wasn't that low, so I'm gonna have to tighten up these Fugazi shoes too. Hot. Sometimes it just doesn't look like it fits in good, but that's just how it be. Here we go. I do have a crack here. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but it's another reason why my car has been surprisingly leaking a little bit of fluid or coolant. I thought there was a problem with the car itself, but I guess now it was just you know, a crack. Wow, this car needs a vet. This car is getting cleaned up. Wait, is that what I'm looking for? No, this guy's a fucking mess. Jesus Christ. Can't wait till I get this thing cleaned up.
Low battery.
Low battery. The only reason why he says that is due to the fact that I got the good old what do you call it? Hold on. Okay, bet. No. Just gonna put the charger on. Get the little charger going on. Hold on one sec. Come on now. There we go. What we finna play? Let's see what we finna got. There's some stuff y'all don't even know about. Guys, hot as. Don't want to say it. Don't want to say it. Alright, let's get the location. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go drive up to my boy's house. 32 minutes away, not that bad. So let's see. So he wants to go from cut. Not bad. So we're about to go ahead and pick up my diffuser and everything that I have, because it's been sitting there for a long time. So I might as well go ahead and scoop that. Ah, third gear is just destroyed. I don't know if you guys know, but you know, third gear got shattered, completely shattered, which kind of sucks, but I mean, it's part of the game. That's literally just part of it. That's just how it be sometimes, you know what I mean? So I'm mad about it, obviously, but it's just like, it is what it Hey, you guys already know. J-World, skip. But so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and head over to my boy Russell right now, like I said. Pick up the little diffuser, the canards, the splitter. Whole lot of shit. Whole lot of shit is going on.
Got a brand new gun.
Got a major laser.
Yeah.
Hey,
I took her to my layer.
he said in the Himalayas.
Yeah. I took her to my layer. In the Himalayas. Their boyfriend hanging on me.
Now the only thing that's gonna be kind of a little upsetting is just the fact that like it's gonna be raw. It's not gonna be really painted. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get that thing painted soon. The diffuser is wrapped carbon fiber. I wrapped it a while ago, and it looked really nice. So I can't really wait to put it back on now. You guys, I'm like, this is kind of like a way where I'm just kind of like, should I get the transmission fully built now and start saving up money for the build motor, or just send it on stock block motors and just keep fucking ripping them apart? Blows up, you know, I'll get another motor. Do what I gotta do from there. One thing I'll never do is tailgate. That's just one thing I'll usually never do. I hate the tailgate. That's my #1 pet peeve in most cases. Hello, sir.
Yo.
I am gonna be on the way real soon. I'm picking up the what do you call it? This diffuser, and he lives like right by you guys almost, so it's even better. It's on the way there. But yeah, I just want to let you know I'm about to be on the way soon.
But let me know when you're like 15, 20.
I can't even see you. Hello? We out here, bro. But bet yeah, then yeah, I'll end up seeing you then. How's the Evo?
Good.
Alright, well, we're gonna take some whole lot of gang shit going on. Yalla habibi.
Alright.
Now me going into third, I just gotta kinda like grind, you know, it grinds, it is what it is. Oh well. Maybe I want to say a couple, like maybe 7 miles, 6 miles. I don't even know. I'm saying I gotta check and see shit. Yeah, like, we'll see. It's crazy, man. 13 miles. Yeah, so I was close. 13 miles. We're gonna stay on this. Not bad. Not bad. It's kind of a mess back there, but oh well, I'll end up taking care of it later today. But people just drive too slow sometimes, y'all. God bless you. God bless you. Bless you and your soul. Get another brake boost. On phone. Holding the fucking camera every now and then, but it's because I lost my head strap. I don't know where the hell it is, so that's kind of shitty. We're like almost there, but not really. We're like maybe like 10-15 minutes away or so. Good old fourth gear. Here where we are, about to go ahead and try to see if we can install it. We got the one himself, the man himself, Billy. If you guys haven't subscribed to my boy, go ahead and get started on that because he just started his channel. So yeah, I'm gonna get this going on, you know. What you thinking? So it says that one, I think that one's for there, bro. Really?
They're both going in the same spot.
Fucking send it
the
then.
Same exact design.
Not bad of a wrap job, honestly. The top at least doesn't look that bad. Kind of looks bunk, but oh well. Yeah, we'll go ahead and kind of slowly. Rusted as fuck, huh? You good?
Is your third gear fixed?
Nah.
No?
No. It's just surprisingly been going anyway, so. It's hot. You got it?
Alright.
What's up?
Put yours up to the bracket. Yeah.
The man himself.
How are you?
What you got going on, Big G?
Nothing
The
much.
focus man himself. Shit, we out here, bro. Yeah, we just got it installed right now, dude.
They're being printed tomorrow.
Man, this guy don't drink.
They're being printed tomorrow. I don't know if he'll rock them though.
Who don't drink? Who don't drink?
Oh, this guy don't drink.
Chug that, you won't.
Yeah, chug the rest. Come on, kids.
I'll be hammered.
You know how we do it, we got
Got that little 3.5-inch intake from eBay. You know how it is. Cheap boys.
Cheap boys, there.
Cheap boys.
What do you do?
Magic on his mom.
Oh my god. I mean, he did you like that, Bryce.
It's okay. I fucked his mom first, though.
Oh, okay, that's fair enough.
I
Damn.
have to bleep that.
Possibly. Possibly, depending on how I care about, you know. We got the whole gang out here. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, it smells. It smells, but hey, the work goes. Hell no.
It's like booty, low key.
Yeah, it does. But it does work.
Man, who's putting Beamer?
Man, that Beamer slow as hell. It got gapped by a $1,000 shitbox.
It makes more power in his lighter.
Hey, that was your fault for losing a dub on it.
Literally.
These boys.
These boys playing too much, huh? Man, Billy out here. Got the motor. Got the tranny. What's the other motor for? Perfecto. I got you on this.
Go, wipe that shit down, please.
Yes, sir.
You know how to do.
Dude, look at that. Perfect spot.